Hello guys, today I'm gonna show on you to how to make dialogue system with camera inspired on mimic game. Subscribe. First, get the model in description and put the screen GUI in starter GUI and put the dummy on workspace. The two-part cams, it means where you wanna see the cutscenes or camera. Customize your dialogue chat here. Let's see if it's work. As you can see, it's work good. Inside the dummy, there have a part that have proxy.